Hi guys, this is Shabby RBZ, and today I'm gonna show you how to boost or speed up your Sony Xperia E single. This is the single SIM version. This is not the dual SIM version, and it comes with an Android 4.1.1 Jelly Bean, mm, which is quite decent for an entry-level phone. Uh, the first thing I want to say about this phone really looks good. I mean, it doesn't at all feel cheap and all. But the only thing about this phone, the only problem with this phone is that it lags a bit at times because of this Timescape UI. The Timescape UI is indeed a very heavy UI with all the animations and the vibrations and all those things which we don't need. Actually, it's only just to make the phone look better, but they are of no use. For example, when I am doing this thing, you can see the apps are floating. The apps are floating, and which is an animation, which is a heavy animation, I can say. So these things are not needed. Okay, and first, when you just when you're scrolling through the menu, and you will notice a little amount of lag because of this UI and because of all the heavy things and applications installed in this phone, in the phone memory, which eats up a lot of RAM. I've been using this phone for a while, and what I noticed was the applications which was which are installed in the phone could not be removed, and they automatically runs they automatically run on the background, and which eats up almost 70 to 75% of the RAM, which makes it quite difficult for me to handle this phone, I mean, smoothly. This does lag a bit. I mean, at times, even when you're just reading a message, or you're just making a call, or even when you're just unlocking the device, it lags. So, but this is not. The fault is not of the phone, because the phone comes with a decent hardware specs. It has got a 1 GHz ARM V7 processor. It has got Adreno 200 GPU, and it has got a 512 MB RAM, which is not at all bad for an entry-level phone. This phone costs only 11K, so pretty decent specs for a phone of such a low cost. But the only thing that that is irritating is the speed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you that what you can do with without rooting your phone, because I personally didn't root this phone till now, because I didn't find any easy way to do it, and I didn't want to try the unlock bootloader method right now, because I was not ready for because this is the first time I'm using a Sony phone. So I have rooted many other phones like the Samsung Galaxy S2, Samsung Galaxy S3. Sorry about the inconvenience. So I have rooted many phones like the Samsung Galaxy S2, the Samsung Galaxy S3, and some other phones like the LG and all. So, but I haven't rooted a Sony phone. So this was quite difficult for me, and I didn't want to try it out right now, because I just bought the phone a few days ago. I don't want to break it. So what I did is I downloaded a few apps just to speed it up a bit. So let's just see what the apps are. First, you can download this app. This is a very famous app called the App to SD. This is not the pro version, because this is not the pro version. This is the simple version or the free version, which is available in the Google Play Store, and you can get it easily. So what this app does is it helps you to move your applications from the phone memory to the internal memory, not the SD card but the internal memory. At times the phone doesn't even detect that it has an SD card, while installing games and applications and all. So it has a 2.1 GB internal memory, and you can easily move almost 99% of the apps in internal memory with the help of this application called the anywayzz. So, but the main feature of this application is that it helps you to clear the cache, because if you have a large large amount of cache files on your phone, then your phone will slow down. So what you can do is you can just click on the option, this thing will come on, and you can select clear cache. And right now I have 9.16 MB cache size used by applications, and they will ask, do you want to clear them from getting more space? I said okay, and you can see that that has been cleared. The cache has been cleared. So this is one app, this is one cool app, so I'm gonna just get rid of it. And another app which I downloaded, which is a very useful app, is the NQ Android Booster. This is a very good app, and it does work, not like just any crappy apps that are available in the market. This app really does work. So this is the NQ Android Booster. At first, the name of this application was NetQueen Antivirus, but now they just named it NQ Android Booster. This is a very useful app. So you can see that there is a button which says optimize. What you have to do is you just tap on it, and it just cleans. It just stops the apps which are running on the background, which is all the time. And it has another function which is called the running apps. Just click on it, and it will show every single app that is running on the background. You can just close them, and you can see that it just freed 6 MB of RAM. So this is a very good phone, but the best feature of this phone is that it has a widget. It has a widget, the NQ Android Booster widget. This widget is very handy and it is very useful. This widget comes in two sizes. One is 4x1 and one is 2x1. I use the 4x1 widget because it has some features on it, like you can turn on the Wi-Fi, you can turn on the airplane mode, you can adjust the brightness with the help of this, and you can also turn on the data. But what I use the most, most of the time, is I just there is this circle-like thing. It's a button. Just click on it. The thing just revolves and it just cleans. So as you can see, 42 MB memory clear. So this app does work, and this helps a lot to speed up your Xperia E. And this will work on every single Xperia phones, because every single phone having timestamp UI tends to be heavy, very heavy. So I would recommend you that before gaming or before doing any heavy task, I would recommend you to just add this widget on the wall, on the home screen, and you can just click on it. It will circle around, and then this will clean some amount of RAM, which will help you to get an improved gaming and improved multitasking. So that's all for today, guys. See you later.